to my channel, Coin Lady, and thank you for returning. At a little under 59 cents, we can see XRP on the chart. Once again, XRP had a positive day, although there was little to no change in price. 99% believed the untruth. It is economics, not hope, that drives investment growth, which in turn drives up prices. Whales, buying the drop, selling at a profit, die hard, XRP holders, where are all these international allies? There has been no new investment capital arriving just yet, and the whales will sell any retail investment capital once XRP reaches a specific price point. They do it all over again when the price drops, only this time they wait for more money to come in. The demand for XRP from institutions looking to use it for on-demand liquidity for its real use case is driving acceptance, though, so that will change. Indeed, I consider ripples to be a real phenomenon. When the new stablecoin launches, it will boost XRP's value. My next video is coming out later today, where I'll go into more detail about that. What is happening, though, is that the news was bought by many, but the price abruptly did not represent their expectations. That's how it should be said. The coin season is still in its early stages. Lots of cryptocurrencies are trading at 50% to 90% discounts to their all-time highs right now. As high liquidity increases, cryptocurrency prices rise. It seems like a lot of folks are claiming that we won't have an old season. No longer will the previous season air. It's not true. Even in yesterday's video, I didn't imply that this cycle was done when I indicated that people are already looking forward to the next one. I just meant that alt season is coming. This cycle is still in its early stages. Hold off on buying these altcoins until they take off. Its defeat was accepted by SEC. The verdict in the ever.XRP lawsuit will not be challenged. However, Eleanor Tourette Fox is the source of this. According to business journalist Eleanor Tourette, it is highly unlikely that either party will appeal the remedy's ruling. However, the SEC may still think about appealing the July 2023 decision. With the SEC's decision to not appeal, Ripple is ready to take advantage of the court's ruling and move forward. Her main point is that this remedy decision is flawed. No one would challenge that, but they might revisit last year's clarification about XRP, when it was determined that XRP was not a security. The SEC will not do that, in my opinion. To tell the truth, after Ripples pay the $120 million, I don't see any reason to stop moving forward. I hope that's the outcome. But I will make sure to keep you informed if anything changes. There will be a destructive supercycle from 2024 to 2025. Get the top off. The election is won by Trump. What follows is a crypto and small cap rotating pump unlike anything you've ever witnessed. Thanks to this, everyone is gushing over their Christmas gains, dinner queue, and retail onboarding. Everyone seems to agree that we're currently experiencing a supercycle. Some have suggested that we shouldn't get our hopes up, because this is just a typical cycle. What I do know is that I believe XRP is going to have a terrific run-up once old season begins. We will undoubtedly witness anew. This time around, it's 2 all-time highs, because things are different than they were in 2021. Additionally, Ripple has shown significant growth after 2021. Now that Ripple is prepared to give the SEC their money, we can go forward. 2022 and 2023 were wonderful years of non-stop growth with little price volatility. I believe that adoption will also begin to occur. Wall Street bets are about to produce the greatest bull run in history, at least in the near future. No one, in my opinion, is going to dispute that. In my opinion, this is going to be an incredible run, perhaps the best run in our history. Regarding the supercycle, I am uncertain. Nevertheless, I am certain that a tremendous bull run is imminent. Do you recall when Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, projected that the cryptocurrency industry would double in size to $5 trillion by the end of 2024? Many are also curious as to what percentage of that $5 trillion will wind up in XRP's market cap. This is what I think. Despite the fact that market cap has no bearing on practicality, It will during regular price increases, such as the one that is likely to occur during alt season. I believe I was being cautious about that, Brad. This time around, I predict a deluge of capital flowing into cryptocurrency. Many individuals are probably anticipating it. I also believe that adoption by institutions is taking place. This means that there is already some institutional funding. I anticipate that significant changes will occur rapidly, hence, I am merely waiting to see what transpires over the next few months. Keep your electronic wallets close at hand. Hello, everyone. The imminent acquisition of Bitstamp by Robinhood has sparked rumors that XRP would make its grand premiere on the Robinhood stage by early 2025. If confirmed, this might be the mega event that brings XRP to the attention of millions of potential investors across the globe. People in the XRP community are virtually jumping for joy because of how delighted they are. Robinhood isn't someone I particularly enjoy. No way am I going to use it. Robinhood doesn't appear until early 2025, why? By that point, I anticipate that the price of XRP will have already surpassed all previous records. By the year's end, I anticipate that will have occurred. This season, this run, is going to end for Bitcoin somewhere in November, according to a lot of folks who have been in crypto for previous cycles. I'm talking about the OGs here. Could that be true? I'm not sure. No one can predict for sure what the future holds for these markets, but if it were true, the season would have already begun by the time we reached early 2025. As for XRP, I fear Robinhood would lose out on all those gains on XRP. Is Ripple something you're familiar with? Is XRP's regulatory clarity twofold? In 2015, XRP was explicitly designated as a virtual currency by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, and no other cryptocurrency has since obtained clarification from the SEC and FinCEN regarding its regulatory status. As a unique case in the U.S. crypto scene, XRP was declared not a security under federal law in a 2023 judicial judgment against the SEC. Also, I nearly forgot about that, I didn't read it. In my early days of investing in cryptocurrency, I recall one particular incident. Ripple was hit with a $700,000 civil money penalty, but it also achieved some closure regarding its status. The fact that Vincent acknowledged XRP as a virtual currency meant that it would be registered solely with that authority. Oh well, that was yet another setback for Ripple, the thinking went. A sum of $700,000 was disbursed. That's just the way things are in America. As a kind of pay-to-play, they make you go through the motions. That is an absolute must. Just as with the SEC, playing now costs money. What I mean is, funds held within the US. It's incredibly corrupt. You can proceed, though, after you've paid. Take a look at the situation with Tesla and Amazon. The release of an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, might potentially cause a price increase to $20. Listen up, folks, XRP is already trading hands worldwide. What impact does it have on the XRP price? Do not even bother. Along with that, these ETFs are complete and utter nonsense. Why bother with an exchange-traded fund, ETF, when you can just hold XRP? To be honest, I'm confused. You know, institutions are going to acquire XRP and then hold on to it for a long time. This will increase demand for XRP, which in turn will drive its price higher. The liquidity pulls are going to be a big deal. When does that start? I'm dying to find out. Mr. Man is also the source of self-hosted wallets, including Ledger, Decent, PayPal Elliptical, and Liberal. Even if new players join the market, you can still sell and promote your own wallets. The Digital Currency Global Initiative has decreed this. I prefer Decent and Ledger, to be honest. Actually, I use both of them. However, I'm looking forward to the day when every user has access to a safe digital wallet where they can store their cryptocurrency and send and receive payments with ease. I believe that day will come when there is absolutely no need for a middleman in the cryptocurrency market. Currently, everything is pointing in that direction, and I expect that trend to continue. My videos viewers have my gratitude. Show your support by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you later, goodbye.